In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable 120 FPS on PS5 for games that obviously support it here in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before we do start, keep in mind that your TV or monitor has to support 120 Hz refresh rate in order for this to work. If it doesn't, 120 FPS won't even be available. But if you already have that prerequisite out of the way, go up to your settings by selecting the settings gear up in the top right corner from the PS5 home screen. And from here, scroll down to see this screen and video option right here. Select it and then choose video output. And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a 120 Hz output option on here. Make sure this is set to automatic and not off. Now, not all games are going to automatically run at 120 FPS, even if your PS5 settings are correct. Essentially, open up whatever game you want to play, and you're going to have to go into that game settings and look specifically under the either video section, the graphics section, or the display section, and just enable 120 FPS mode or performance mode from within the game itself as well. Some games will label this as performance mode instead of 120 FPS, so make sure that option is turned on. And once that's enabled, any supported game will now run at 120 frames per second, giving you smoother gameplay and better responsiveness. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and enable 120 FPS here on a PS5 in 2026. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.